Hey, it's Sammy. April Fool's Day. It's April 1st. What was not foolish, though, is that we took 10 awesome trades today in Dow YM futures for 434 points. We were hitting our area of support here, so we wanted to make sure that we got our buy sign. All of our data decayed. We're going along here. We've got a nice buy algorithm firing. We're going to take this up. We're using our signature soda reversal process here. So we are going up here. You can see this red line we're hitting is deviation 1. Let's see how it behaves. Now we punch through, but as we settle back in here, we're going to lock in 28 points. Now you can see we punched up through deviation. We still have really strong data going here. We're going to try and head up to VWAP, that pink line up there. And we've got great data, and we got a buy algorithm telling us to get. If you pay close attention to these trades, you notice we move our stop loss into a profit position to protect ourselves. All these trades are risk-free. Now, our VPOC actually shifted right under VWAP here. We're going to lock in 40 points. Super important. We know how to read this market. We know how to read this data. This is the open. We are leaving the volume point of control and volume weighted average price. Our target is that yellow line down there, which is the overnight low, as well as deviation 2. Look how fast this thing rips, hits 137 points. We trade with laser precision. We know where to take profits because these areas are tested day in, day out. You can look over to the left, see where we locked our profits on this overnight low line. The market pulled back right at the pivot point there. We re-entered the market, still have that short data telling us it's safe to get in. Now we'd love to see it pull all the way down to that third deviation, but we're going to lock in 74 points as it pulls through. Look how sticky deviation 2 is. That's this pale yellow line right here. Price has tested it 3 times now. We got the data. We're going to try and punch through. This is why we use a stop loss in break-even protection strategy. This is a risk-free trade. It's going to get hit. That's okay. We'll take the break-even and look for the next opportunity. Yes, I have plenty of data. I am going to try it again. We're trying to break through that 50 Fibo and that deviation 2 zone. The fact is, had I locked both of those at deviation taps, I would have had almost 80 points. But I always trade my data. I trade my plan. Let's see if we can get this data to stick. Here we go, ripping through, and we're going to lock in 61 points as this pulls back. After all that awesome shorting, look at everything flipped over. We're breaking deviation 2. We're entering and we're going through the overnight high price level. Really key price levels. We're working here every day. Same stuff. We don't change anything. We are going to protect that trade though in case anything happens, but we're aiming for this GANs. And you can see we lock in 38 points. I just got back from the gym, got off a quick call, and the market gave me a great opportunity right here to come through pivot. We're going to go down and try and hit that deviation, that value area, as well as that overnight low. Let's see, we have a really nice short stop loss in case anything happens. There's not a lot of risk in this trade. We're risking 1 to make like 10. Now watch as we move that stop loss. We're going to trail this trade very aggressively. This thick line is our pivot point right here, so that's why this price is being really what we call sticky. Now we're locking in 56 points right here because we're actually hitting weekly VWAP, so we're not going to punch through that and make our way down to deviation.